In the wake of a harrowing case, new legal measures emerged in Utah, aimed at offering stronger safeguards for children against abuse. This troubling incident served as a stark reminder of the pressing need for stricter oversight and enforcement of existing child welfare laws. The case itself was steeped in extreme child abuse, showcasing physical and emotional torture that inflicted severe harm on the victims. Such shocking behaviors sparked not only widespread media coverage, but also a wave of public outrage that echoed throughout the nation. Amidst this turmoil, Franke, a YouTuber celebrated for her popular channel, found herself embroiled in similar charges. Her situation illuminated the darker underbelly of social media fame and the often misguided perceptions of parenting, as their criminal actions starkly contrasted with their carefully curated public personas. In an intricate twist, a petition under the Post-Conviction Remedies Act seeks to confront wrongful guilty pleas by establishing mechanisms to assert factual innocence. This initiative holds particular significance for Jod's case, as it uncovers the complexities of the legal system. Jod's declaration of self-representation speaks volumes about her trust, or lack thereof, in her attorney, Douglas Terry, adding a layer of intricacy to her legal predicament. This sentiment reflects not just personal dissatisfaction but also a wider concern regarding the adequacy of legal representation. Douglas Terry, although well-respected in Washington County, is currently grappling with a heavy caseload, which raises questions about his ability to provide thorough and dedicated representation for Jod's case. This dilemma invites scrutiny into how workload can impact justice. During sentencing, Jodi took the opportunity to express her love for the children, yet she fell short of admitting her guilt or offering any semblance of an apology for her actions. This refusal to accept accountability stirred further concern among those observing the proceedings. Witnesses noted a palpable lack of remorse from Jodi during her sentencing, indicating a troubling disconnect from the severity of her actions. This troubling observation fueled public discourse surrounding her accountability and whether true justice could be attained. Jodi's plea agreement and her subsequent post-conviction relief motion suggest a potential misunderstanding of the legal implications of her guilty plea. This highlights the often complex and murky waters one must navigate within the legal system. Adding to the intricacies, the apparent lack of investigation and counsel from Hildebrand's attorney raises serious doubts about her comprehension of the charges against her. This negligence could have far-reaching consequences on the trajectory of her case. Hildebrand's pursuit of post-conviction relief showcases the tremendous challenges that individuals face when contesting their sentences. Often, this process feels like a desperate Hail Mary effort, with slim chances of success looming over them. Compounding the situation, her allegations of prosecutorial misconduct add another layer of complexity. If proven, this could invalidate her plea agreement, potentially altering the entire course of her case and justice. Jodi's attempts to communicate her findings to the prosecutors reflect the multifaceted nature of legal representation, raising concerns about the adequacy of her attorney's guidance and the potential gaps in her understanding of her own legal rights. This case has sparked significant legislative changes in Utah, particularly concerning the protection of child performers in family vlogs. It underscores the urgent need to safeguard children in online spaces, demanding financial accountability from content creators to ensure their well-being. As the impact of family vlogging on children unfolds, personal testimonies come to light, revealing the psychological effects and dangers that child influencers face. A growing concern surfaces, one rooted in the issues of consent and exploitation within this evolving digital landscape. The testimonies from these affected children reveal a haunting theme: the sacrifice of their childhood for the sake of online fame. Many share feelings of regret, emphasizing the critical need for changes that prioritize the well-being of these young individuals. In response, legislation is being introduced to protect child influencers from exploitation, ensuring they maintain control over their own media. This vital change aims to uphold their rights and privacy, paving the way for a safer digital presence. Beyond that, broader implications for child welfare legislation in Utah are unfolding, addressing pressing issues surrounding child abuse and the rights of young content creators. This reflects a growing awareness of children's safety in online settings that calls for urgent attention. As the video delves into the harsh realities faced by child content creators, it highlights the struggle against difficult living conditions and the lack of emotional support. This is a striking contrast to the curated positivity often presented in their online lives, revealing an unsettling truth. Legislation aimed at safeguarding child influencers is steadily being implemented. Financial trusts are being established to ensure that their hard-earned money is managed responsibly until they come of age, protecting them from potential pitfalls. The Franke family case stands as a crucial turning point, raising awareness about child exploitation within the realm of social media. This pivotal situation has spurred necessary changes in laws to better protect children against emerging threats in the digital age. As Brian Schnee emphasizes, staying informed about crime issues in Utah is of paramount importance. This community awareness and engagement fosters a more informed public, encouraging proactive measures to ensure safety and justice. For those eager for more, viewers can access a wealth of content related to crime and legal matters through various platforms, including KUTV.com and social media channels. This availability not only enhances public awareness, but also enriches the conversation surrounding these critical issues. Wrapping up the discussion, the ongoing conversation highlights the potential for future dialogues regarding notable crime cases in Utah. This commitment to continued coverage and updates reflects a broader dedication to community engagement and vigilance.